Okay guys, welcome to my new video. With this quick video guys, I will share with you a great method how to make extra cash using free traffic, free solo ad traffic, and all you need for this method Warrior Plus account. You can sign up for free, and basically everyone can sign up to this website, and everyone can promote a product and earn some extra cash from this great affiliate network. So basically you need a Warrior Plus account, and you need some free traffic solo ads. You can found this list. I will put this list below this video, so you can sign up all this list. This is a free traffic, free solo ads traffic. You can use this free list to promote your business, your affiliate link. There is a great traffic that you can get from this solo ads, and I really recommend to start use this list. Now, basically, like I said in the first, you have to create a free account with Warrior Plus. Then you can go here to affiliate in the top menu, and you can see here offers. So basically, you have to visit offers, and you will get a big list. Let's give it more time. Okay, you will get a big list of a great product. You can see there is unlimited product here, and many sales. You can see this product over 3,000 sales. For every sale, you will get a 46 dollar commission. You can see, you can check all this product, and all you have to do is request to promote this product. So basically all you have to do is click here, request. Let's do again, request, and you will get this page, and you can see here request approve. So basically all you have to do is click and type something to the vendor, and when you accept, you will get an email that you can promote your link, and then you can start to promote your affiliate link, and get leads, and make extra cash from this product. Okay, so basically you can check all this product and choose a great product to promote, and there is a many product. You can see the date of release it, and you can see there is a lot of new product here. You can see this product. This is a new, very new product. Okay, I think you get the point. So basically all you have to do is choose one product, click here request, and when you get approved, all you have to do is get your link. You can see you will get something like this, get link, and all you have to do is click here, get link, and then you will get this link, so you can to promote. So let's copy this link, copy address. Let's check this product. So basically you will get something like this. This is a great product, look very catchy and very convert. So basically there is a limited product like this, and that's why I recommend to promote this product. There's a great product here. Okay, so I think you get the point from this method. Now all you have to do, let's back to the affiliate link. Let's copy and go to the traffic. We have to get traffic, so let's go to our list. Like I said, all this product is all this free solo ads website is great to get traffic. I recommend to start with a viral URL. This is a great, and you can see here your viral mailer is also great. Basically, all these websites is free and great solo ads to promote your affiliate link. And I will show you, for example, okay, um, US a largest theft list. I will visit and show you exactly how this working. You can see this website have over 23,000 members. So basically, you can show your product to all these members, and this is a great members. All members searching for traffic and make money online. Okay, so let's log in. Okay, I already in. And you can see here credit mailer. Like you see here, I have over 1,300 credit. I can use all of them, so I will type here 123. Okay, and I will type my link. Do you remember this is my affiliate link? So I will copy and put the link here. Also, I can put the link here. Okay, now basically I need a subject and I need some text here. Okay, so basically I can get this text. Okay, you don't have to work harder. Everything is ready. You can see a great text. Also I can put a text here. Okay, that's all. Maybe you want to add more text here. It's dependent you. It's okay. You can add. Okay, so basically my solo ad, very simple solo ad is ready. And all you have to do is, you can see here send, and that's it. Like you see here, mailing in progress. We will notify you when it will be finished. Okay, this is very easy, and basically you can do this every single day, and you can earn, you can get unlimited traffic from this website, and of course you can earn unlimited extra cash from all these free solo ads traffic. Now basically I recommend to start with a viral URL. This is a fantastic traffic, and also you can use all this free solo ads traffic, and This is a great and fantastic solo ad. This is free. Okay, this is very important. This is free traffic, so you can use it for a free. And also, I recommend to start promoting Warrior Plus products. You can find unlimited, very catchy and very convert product on Warrior Plus. If you wish, I can show you another product. Let's visit. Okay, here is another product. This is a fantastic product. All products look very, very convert and very beautiful product and very, very catchy. So this is a great for you to promote like this product. And the best part of this method, everything is for free. You don't have to work harder. If there is something you didn't understand with this video, you can comment below this video, and I will be happy to respond soon. And that's all, guys. I think you get the point. And that's it. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.